Hey everybody, Steve coming back at you again. I wanted to go over one thing that I don't get asked frequently enough, and that is, when do I need to replace my whole HVAC stack? You see, these stacks will break down into about three pieces. There is the base, there is the neck, and then there is the actual cap. A lot of times what we see is in a post-hailstorm environment, insurance companies will come out and they'll pay to replace the cap, but they won't pay to address the neck and the base. Now there's some other issues with that I'm not going to get into, but the bottom line is the actual stack itself, you have about 2 roof replacements inside of one stack. On that third replacement, you need to go ahead and replace the entire stack. Again, the entire stack is going to be comprised of the base, the neck, and the cap. Here's the thing, this base is, we're going to be putting a new roof on. This will be the third roof that this base will have potentially had. And it's got all the sealant, it's got all these cracks, it's bent right here, probably got 2 or 3 dozen nail holes in it. This thing needs to be gone, because here's how roofing works. Your roof is only as good as the weakest link, okay? So if you have a brand new roof, good components, good workmanship, good pieces, everything is together per manufacturer specifications, and you have an old HVAC stack or an old base that's not performing properly, it's gonna leak and you're gonna have issues. More than likely, the manufacturing company and the installer of that roof is probably gonna have some pushback with warranting that claim, if there is a claim, because they said you should have replaced the actual HVAC stack. So remember, HVAC stack, only get about 2 roofs. On that third roof, go ahead and have it replaced. It does cost a little bit more money, but it's worth it. Guys, thank you so much for tuning in. If you have any questions, leave us a comment and a like down below. We'll catch you in the next one.